Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to EEEAN. We are in DC Circuit Lecture Series Part 2. Today, we are going to learn about the basics of Ohm's law, resistance, conductance, short circuit, and open circuit. In this lecture series, we will follow the instruction of the reference book Fundamentals of Electric Circuits written by Alexander and Sadiko. So let's get started. First, we are going to talk about Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the voltage V across a resistor is directly proportional to the current I flowing through the resistor. In mathematically, we can write V is proportional to I. That is, voltage is proportional to current. If the resistance is constant, then we can write V equals to IR. And here, resistance. What is resistance? It is the element which has ability to resist the current. It is denoted by R and it is measured in ohms. So we can write R equals to V divided by I, and then so 1 ohm equals to 1 volt per ampere. And then what is conductance? It is the ability of an element to conduct electric current, and it is measured in moles or Siemens. It is opposite to resistance, that is G equals to 1 divided by R. And some important parameters comparison of resistance and conductance. So we know I equals to V divided by R, and when we put R equals to 1 divided by G, then we can write I equals to GV. Similarly, we also know P equals to VI equals to I square R equals to V square divided by R. And when we put R equals to 1 by G, we find P equals to VI equals to V square G equals to I square divided by G. And some important characteristics of resistance that we should know. Number one, a resistor always absorbs power from the circuit. Number two, it is a passive element and incapable of generating energy. That is, it can take power or energy from other elements like voltage or current source, but it cannot produce any power or energy by itself. That's why it's a passive element. A resistor is either constant or variable most of the time, as it is used as constant resistance, and sometimes it can be used as variable resistance. Name of some constant resistor are wire on type resistor or carbon film type resistor. And potentiometer or slider pot are used as variable resistor. Now we are talking about short circuit. A short circuit is a circuit element with resistance approaching zero, and it is the example of a perfect conductor. In this circuit, there is no potential difference between the point A and B. Since the resistance is zero, the flow of current I is maximum because there is no voltage drop here, and since there is no resist in current, maximum current can flow through this path. And then, what is open circuit? An open circuit is a circuit element with resistance approaching infinite. And when the resistance is infinite, there is no current flow through the path I equals to 0, that is R equals to infinite. Thank you very much for hearing us. See you in the next video.